What's up, guys? It's Brendan here. So this is part 2 of the Eclipse stuff. So right now we're moving the white one. We're going to try to attempt to move it the mower. Here's my dad here.
Hello.
And we're going to try to push it or pull it with the chain here. Interesting setup, I'd say the least. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we're trying to put it in the garage right now, so only take first try. First try, baby. See you guys in a second. Guys, so we are done. We got the Talon in the garage. I actually did something good for once. I had to help Dad over there. And there's my little sister. No problem. Say hi. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, we got everything. Got this in the garage. Now it's time to move those cars in the driveway. Ready? Look at that thing. Alright guys, let's put it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Put that car to the left. Yeah, look at that. Both cars are now in the driveway. Hope you guys enjoy part 2. Actually, no. Video's not over yet. See you guys when we start taking apart this thing. See you guys later.
Several days later.
Alright guys, so me and my dad have been working on this a couple nights. We took the hood off and fenders off. Well, my dad took the fenders off. I took the hood off, I think. Yeah. Here's the engine. Wanna know what's funny? I bet you would never guess what a turbo is. Look at this thing. This is part of the turbo. This car has gotten into an accident in the previous years. This thing was so bad. When this whole car is done, for all the videos you guys are gonna see of this, it's gonna probably make easy 800 horsepower easy. It's nice. New bumper has arrived a couple days ago. Here is kind of nice. Got that part. There was boost gauges in here. Honestly, this thing is actually kind of much cleaner than the white car outside, but yeah. Here's part 2, guys. We will continue off part 3. Part 3 in the next video. For now, this is the last time you're gonna see this car for a couple weeks. Next video, probably gonna see taking that apart. See you guys. Peace out.